Hello students, welcome to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid channel. I am Veena teacher teaching you 4th standard maths. What we have solved in our last session students? Yes, we have started ordering of decimals. In that I have explained you example number 1 and 2. Today we are going to see with remaining 2 example. Now see what is the third example. Compare 0.75 and 0.753. Now we have to convert these numbers into like decimals. How we can see 0.75 means 0.750. Here the whole number portion and the digit in the tens and hundreds places are same, isn't it? In the both the numbers you can see 0.75 and 0.753. 7575 is same. So to convert into like fraction, what you have to do? We have to add one more 0, isn't it? So if we add, we get 0.750. So now we can compare the thousands digit. Now what is there? See, 0 will be there here. Okay. Now tens place same, hundreds place same. So thousands place here 3 is there and here 0 is there. So which is greater? Of course 3000s is a greater. So therefore 0.753 is greater than 0.75. Now example number 4. Now arrange in descending order. Now see, we have to arrange these given decimals numbers into descending order. Now descending order means what? Greater to smaller. Now first we need to convert these all numbers into like decimals. Like decimals means after the decimal point all the decimals places should be equal, same, means like decimals. Now you see 5.005, 5.05, 5.5, 5.500. Here 3 place 2, 1, 3. So we have to convert all the numbers into 3 places after the decimal point. So first number write as it is, second number 505, then add one more 0. We can add in number of zeros, isn't it, after the decimal point. So the value will not change, it doesn't matter. So 5.5, one digit is there, so we can add 2 zeros, and here already 3 digit is there, so we will write as it is. Now we can arrange these numbers into descending order. Now just see, whole number 5 is there. We cannot compare which is greater, then we will go with the tens place. Tens 0, 0, 5, 5. See 0, 0 is smaller, we have to go with greater. Now 2 numbers we got greater. So now tens place we have to give, then we have to go with hundreds place. Again hundreds place 0, 0 is there. Then we have to go with thousands place. Now thousands place 0 and 5 is there. Now which is greater? Of course 5 is greater, means this is the greater number. So write first 5.505. Okay, the second. So automatically this will be second, isn't it? So 5.500. Then we need to compare this both the number. Now we came till tens place. Now we will compare the hundreds place. Here 0 is there, here 5 is there. Which is greater? Of course 5, means we have to take this number first. 5.050. Then last 5.005. Clear till here? Yes? Now we will solve exercise 2.6. What is the A question? Fill in the blanks with greater or smaller or equal symbols. Okay. Now see the first question student, 0.27 and 0.72. Now whole number 0, 0 equal. Then we have to start comparing tens place. See 2 and 7, which is greater students? Of course 7 is greater. So give greater symbol to 0.72. isn't it? Now next 2.73, 2.43. Now start with whole number. Ones place 2 is there. Then we have to go with next tens place. Now here 7 is there, here 4 is there. Which is greater? Of course 7 is greater. So give arrow to 7. Okay, means 2.73 is greater than 2.48, isn't it? Now I will solve fifth one for you. Now see the fifth one, 0.323, 0.324. Now we have to compare this both the numbers, isn't it? Now see, ones place 0, 0. Both are 0, 0. We cannot compare which is greater, which is smaller. Then we will go with the tens place. See the tens place, again 3, 3 is there. Then we have to go with hundreds place, again 2, 2 is there. Then we have to go with thousands place, here 3 and here 4. Now we need to compare. So tell me which is greater, 3 or 4? Of course 4 is greater, so give arrow to 4. Clear? Yes, very good. Now next example. Now I will take ninth one for you. See the ninth one. See, ones and tens place 33 is there, and here also 33 is there. So both are equal. Then go with the next number. 5 is there. Here also 5 is there. The next hundreds place 2 is there. Here also 2 is there. The next in thousands place 0 is there, but here nothing is there. See students, we can add 0 after the decimal point, isn't it? So I can add here 0. It means both the numbers are equal. You can see here, can you see 33.520 and 33.520. So here you have to give equal symbol. Clear? Yes? Very good. Now I'll solve 11th one for you, last. 33.006, 33.06. Now see, 33, 33, both are equal. We cannot compare which is greater, which is smaller. Then go with the next. Tens place 0. Here also tens place 0. Then go with hundreds place. Here also 0. Here 6 is there. So which is greater, students? Of course 6 is greater, isn't it? So give symbol to 33.06. Though it is after the decimal 2 digit is there, here 3 digit is there, but which is greater? 0.6 only. Are you getting? Yes, very good. Now we will solve B question. What is the B question? Arrange in ascending order. Ascending order means, students, we have to arrange the numbers smaller to greater. Okay, let's arrange. Ascending order. First one I will take 0.3, 0.2, 0.5, 0.9. Yes, we have to arrange these numbers into ascending order. So we write A dot O, ascending order. So now see, before the decimal point, what are the numbers? 0, 0, 0, 0. All are equal. So we have to compare now tens place. What is there at tens place? 3, 2, 5, 1. Which is smaller? Ascending means smaller to greater. Ascending means smaller to greater. greater. So which is smaller, students? 0.2. Then 2 after 3, 0.3, 3 after 5, 0.5, then at the end 0.9. Clear? Yes, very good. Now next example I'll solve for you. I will solve now fifth one for you. See the fifth one, 3.3 comma 3.33 comma 3.333 comma 2.333. See, very interesting question they had given. Now we have to arrange these numbers into ascending order. Okay. Now we have to start comparing with the whole numbers, or you can say before the decimal. See, before the decimal what are the numbers? 3, 3, 3 and 2. See, we got 2 first. 2 is a smaller number in the whole numbers place. So first write that number 2.333. This is over now. Now 3 numbers are remaining. Now in the place of whole number, 3 numbers are same numbers are there, 3, 3, 3. So we have to start comparing with tens place. Tens place 3 is there. Here also 3 is there. Here also 3 is there. Now what we have to do? We have to go with next. But here only 1 3 is there. So automatically this will be smaller number, isn't it? So here don't be confused. First what you do here in this question, convert these all numbers into like decimals. See here 3.3 means, now last how many decimal places are there? 3. So write 3.3 means 3.300 and 3.33 means 3.330, isn't it? And the next number is 3.333 and the next number is 2.333. Now these are the 4 numbers. Now we have converted these all into like decimals. Now you can arrange these numbers into ascending order. Now as whole number is smaller, 2.333. Now next you can compare. See, 333 is same at the tens place. Go with the next digit. Hundreds place 033. Of course 0 is a smaller, so you can write 300, or else you can write 3.3 also. Now next, tens place, hundreds place same is there. Go with thousands place 0 and 3. Of course 0 is smaller, so you can write 3.330, and last 3.333. Clear, students? Are you getting? Yes, very good. Now last one more example I'll solve. Sixth one for you. What is the sixth one? 0.001 comma 0.01 comma 0.1. Now see, after the decimal, 3 places, 2 places, 1 places. Now what I'll do, first we will convert into like decimals. Now first will remain as it is. Okay, the next 0.01 means we can add one more 0 here, and 0.1 means 0.100. I'll write this number here, this side 0.001. Now we need to compare these 3 numbers to write in ascending order. Now see, in whole number place 000, so go with the tens place. Now tens place 011. Which is smaller, student? Tell me. Sorry, here see 0.01 means 0.010. Okay. Now tens place, which is smaller? 001. Now 2 zeros are smaller, so we'll leave this. We will compare this both the number with the hundreds place, 0 and 1, which is smaller, this one. So write here 0.001 comma. Now next, of course after that this will be smaller, okay, than this number, because here in the hundreds place, sorry, here in hundreds place 0 and 1, and here 0 and here, sorry, here 1 and 0 is there, isn't it? So what is the next number will come? 0.010, and at the last remaining number 0100. Clear? Yes? Understood everyone? Very good. Now we will solve C question. What is the C question? Arrange in descending order. Descending order means what, students? Greater to smaller. Now first example I will solve for you. 0.1 comma 1.1 comma 2.1 comma 3.1. Now see this question. Descending means greater to smaller. Now in this question, which is greater, student? In the whole place 0, 1, 2, 3. Which is greater? Of course 3 is greater. So write here descending order 3.1. The next 2 is greater, 2.1, the next 1.1, the next 0.1. Are you getting? Yes. Here after the decimal same digit is there, so we have not converted into like decimals, we have solved directly. Now next example, third one I will solve for you. See the third one, 6.321 comma 6.231 comma 6.456 comma 6.543. Okay, this is the question. Now we have to arrange these numbers into descending order. Now we need to convert into like decimals? No, because after the decimal 3 places are there, 1, 3, 3, 3. Just we need to compare. Now we will start with the whole number. 6, 6, 6, 6, all are equal. So we have to go with the next place, that is 10th place. Now see the 10th place, 3, 2, 4, 5. Which is greater, student? Of course 5 is greater. So take this first, 6.543 comma. Now next after 5, which is smaller? 4. So take this one, 6.456 comma. Now which is greater, 3 or 2? Of course 3 is greater. So take 3, 6.321, last 6.231. Clear? In this way you have to arrange into descending order. Now last I will take sixth one for you. What is the sixth one? 0.123 comma 0.124 comma 0.2. Now see students, After the decimal point, three places are there, and here one place. We need to convert first into like decimals. Okay, this only I will write. 0.2 means 0.200. Okay, now you need to compare this three numbers. Now see, 0.123, 0.124 and 0.200. In the place of whole number 0, 0, 0, all are same, isn't it? So go with the next tenth place. 1, 1, 2. Which is greater? Of course 2 is greater. So first 0.200, comma. Now we need to compare this with the hundreds place. Now hundreds place 2 is there. Then what to do? Go with thousands place. Thousands place here 3 and 4. Which is greater? Of course 4 is greater. So write 0.124, comma, last 0.123. Clear till here? Yes? Understood? Very good. Now here I have solved 3 examples for you from C question, and from B also. In the same way I have solved 3 questions and 3 I kept for you. So remaining all 3 examples you are going to solve by your own in your rub book. Okay, now we will move to the next concept. Now one small activity is there with this concept, addition of decimals. Now we are going to study about addition of decimals. So this activity I will just explain you students. You are going to do by your own. Very simple activities. Cut out a strip of chart 20 centimeter in length using a scale and pencil. Divide it into 10 equal parts. This is your decimal strip of tenths. Each part represents 0.1 or 1/10 of the strip in this way. Okay, then use the strip to add 0.3 and 0.2. Now what you have to do? 0.3 part you have to color, and it represents as a 0.3, and 0.2 then what you have to do? Next 2 strips you have to color. So when you color first 3 parts, then 2 parts. So how many parts together you have colored? How many parts are colored? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Means 0.5 parts are colored. So this represents 5/10 or 0.5. Therefore 0.3 plus 0.2 is equals to 0.5. Clear till here? Yes, very good. In a short way, addition of decimal is like addition of whole numbers, but be careful while writing the numbers. First, what you have to do whenever addition of decimal is there, the first step. What is the first step, student? First, change the decimals into like decimals. Now here you can see 6.3 and 5.75. Now after the decimal 1 digit and here 2 digit as well. First we need to convert into like decimals. So here 3 and 7.5. So you can add here 1 0. 6.3 means 6.30. So once we have converted into like fraction, the second step is write them one below the other such that the decimal point are one below the other. How you have to write? While writing the number, the decimal point should come one below, compulsory. Very, very important. And the next step is the digit with the same place value should be in the same column. And add in the sum, put the decimal point below the other decimal points. Then what you have to do? You have to add the numbers. 0 plus 5 is 5, 3 plus 7 is 10, then 0, carry 1, 1 plus 6 is 7, 7 plus 5 is 12, 2, carry 1, 1 as it is. Then you have to give decimal point as it is at the same place. Clear? Yes, very good. Now we will solve exercise 2.7. What is the A question? Add. First one I will take. 3.4 plus 2.4. See students, you need to write properly. Sorry, 4.2 is there. Now add 4 plus 2 is 6, 3 plus 4 is 7. So where you will give the decimal point? Exactly here only, below the same. Okay. Now next I will solve fourth one for you. 2.38 plus 3.49. Now see, we'll do the addition. 8 plus 9, yes, 17. So write here 7, carry 1s. 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 plus 4 is 8, 2 plus 3 is 5. Then again the decimal point at the same place. Clear? Next. Now I will solve seventh one for you. See the seventh one. 10.114 and 28.907. Now we need to add this both the numbers. 7 plus 4 is 11. 1 here, carry 1s, 1 plus 1 is 2, 9 plus 1 is 10, 0 here, carry 1s, 1 plus 8 is 9, 1 plus 2 is 3. So the decimal point at the same place. Next. Now 10th one I will solve for you. See the 10th one. 32.146, 2.305, 7.348. Now 3 decimal numbers they had given. Don't be confused, just you have to add numbers. Okay. Now see, 6 plus 5 is 11, 11 plus 8 is 19. So write 9 here, carry 1s, 1 plus 4 is 5, 5 plus 4 is 9. Now 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 plus 3 is 7, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 7, yes, 11, 1 here, carry 1s, 1 plus 3 is 4. So give the decimal point at the same place. Now 11th one you solve by your own. 12th one I will take. See the 12th one. See how they are given. 3.2, 9.356 and 11.72. See here, they are not like decimals. Here after decimal 1, 3 decimals and 2 decimals are there. What you have to do? You have to convert into like decimals. So you just need to add 2 zeros. So it becomes 3 decimals, and here 2 decimals is there. If you add 1 zero, it becomes 3 decimals. Now you can add easily. 0 plus 6 plus 0 is 6, 0 plus 5 is 5, 5 plus 2 is 7. Now 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 plus 7 is 12. 2 here, carry 1s. Now 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 plus 9, yes, is 13, 13 plus 1 is 14, 1 here, sorry 4 here, 1 carries, 1 plus 1 is 2. Then give the decimal point after 3 decimal numbers. Clear till here? Yes, very good. Now remaining all examples you are going to solve by your own. This question you can solve in the textbook itself, but with the pencil. Now B question also add, you just try by your own in the rub book, and in the next episode you just cross check your own answers along with me. Till that time, bye bye, take care and thank you.